In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off background from Brave browser. If the rotating photos or sponsored images on your Brave start page feel distracting, or you just prefer a clean, minimalist look that loads quickly, this walkthrough is for you. We'll keep it simple, and make sure you know exactly what to click, what you'll see, and how to switch it back on later if you change your mind. First, open your Brave browser. This process is designed for the new tab page, where Brave displays its background images. If you're looking at a website right now, head to the Start page so you can see the customization controls we'll use. Next, look to the top right of the new tab page and click the small gear icon. This opens Brave's customization panel for the Start page. Think of it as your dashboard for changing what appears each time you open a new tab, including cards like Stats, the clock, shortcuts, and of course, the background. In the panel that appears, click on Background Image. This section is dedicated to the wallpaper-style images that Brave rotates on the new tab page. You might see options here for featured photos or sponsored pictures, but we're going straight to the switch that controls whether any background image shows at all. Now, find the Show Background Images toggle and turn it off. The change is instant. As soon as you flip the switch, the images disappear and your new tab page becomes clean and distraction-free. There's nothing else you need to confirm. Brave saves this preference automatically, so every new tab you open from now on will follow this setting. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. Turning off background images applies to Brave's new tab page only. It won't affect how websites themselves look. If you ever want the images back, return to the same background image section and turn the switch on again. If you don't see the gear icon, make sure you're on the new tab page, not a regular website. Also, Brave occasionally updates its layout, but the customization gear remains in the top right area of the start page, and the background image option stays inside that panel. That's all it takes. You've turned off the background images in Brave, reduced visual clutter, and possibly sped up the time it takes for a new tab to appear. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner browsing experience.